Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can create or make your own video in WOMBO.AI Video Make app. Okay, so if you want to make your video through this app, so you can create easily. So how can you make your video? Then you can follow my step, then you will learn. So firstly we need to go Play Store, or you can go App Store from iPhone. So this is Play Store, and here you can see the app. You have to search WOMBO.AI Video App. Okay, so after inputting your text, then go to click on it, and here you can see the video apps. So I have installed it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. Just I have to go open. But after installing then you can also open your app. So I just click open. Okay, this is app, and here you can see that here is two types of option. Okay, so firstly you have to you can take your photo or selfie the live, or you can use your image or picture for making this video. Okay, so I don't want to take selfie right now, so I just want to go here. You can see I just want to identify to I just want to show you that how can you do this. Here you can see the left corner. Okay, click on it, picture image. You can see picture icon, click on it, and I just I download it. So I just crop it and make it only the face. Okay, so if I focus face, then it will more visible in video. Okay, so okay, I think that's good. And after doing all this thing, and you can see here the right of side crop, the text crop, click on it, and this look like your image. So go to start lip sensing. Okay, click on it. Okay, so here you can see a bunch of their image. So you can use as a free user, but if you want to make a good image, then you have to buy premium package. So I think there is, you can see this option. Here you can see the Wombo icon. Okay, right side you can see this one. This is premium. If you want to use this music, so you have to be premium user. This one on and this one Namba Mia. So this one, so you can use a free video. Okay, a lot of free. So after select your after choosing your music, just click on it, the first one. Okay, then you can listen it. So I don't want to, but I choose it and go to body. Okay, click here. Sorry. So wait a few seconds, then okay, just wait few seconds, 10 seconds almost.